In this lecture, we're going to be talking about inputs and outputs, what that means for communication, what that means for electricity. As a quick recap, remember from the last lecture that the common through line between communication and electronics is the transmission of information. The concept behind inputs and outputs is that certain actions have consequences. Anytime we do or say anything, it allows for a response. When your uncle at Thanksgiving says that haircut is dumb, you might say, "Okay, boomer." In this scenario, your uncle provided input, which resulted in your output of, "Okay, boomer." The most basic of input-output structures is the if-then statement. For example, if I flip on a switch, then the light turns on. So think on the last slide. The input provided or the decision maker was when your uncle said something about your haircut. The resulting output, "Okay, boomer." If-then statements follow a basic structure. If an input happens, then an output happens. A Rube Goldberg machine showcases a chain reaction of if-then scenarios. How do I/Os, or inputs and outputs, translate from communication to electronics? In every scenario imaginable, inputs are received by a sensor. We receive inputs, such as your uncle's dinner table remarks, through sensors on the side of our head, our ears. Our other sensors follow the same breakdown as the five senses. Notice the root word of sense and sensor. When we receive inputs, we respond with outputs like happiness, violence, security, and an endless number of responses. Again, thinking of the last time we talked about inputs and outputs, communication, information, when we add machines into the mix, into communication scenarios, our instructions need to be a lot more specific. So when we start thinking about electrical I/Os, machines start using more specific sensors. Robots don't have ears, but they have microphones that pick up a specific range of wavelengths. Robots can't see in the sense that we interpret images, but they can sense light ranges and interpret basic shapes. When they receive these inputs through their sensors, or receivers of information, they are programmed to respond in appropriate ways. If Elon Musk presses the accelerator, then the Tesla Model X goes forward.